In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pepperstone to MT5. We'll start by getting your trading account ready. If you haven't already, open a live or demo account with your broker. After the account is set up, you'll receive an email containing your MT5 login ID, your trading credentials, and the exact MT5 server name for either live or demo. These are the details you'll use inside MetaTrader 5, and they're different from the login you use for the client portal. If you ever misplace them, you can usually find the same information in the Secure Client area under Trading Accounts. Keep those details handy. You'll need them in just a moment. Next, download and install MetaTrader 5 from the broker's official MT5 download page. Using the official link helps prevent connection issues and ensures the correct servers are available. Choose the platform that fits your setup: Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or WebTrader, then install and launch MT5. If you're on desktop, the installer is straightforward. Follow the prompts and open the platform when it's done. Starting with the broker-branded build can save time because the correct server list is already included. Now let's log in on desktop. With MT5 open, go to the File menu and choose Login to Trade Account. In the Login window, enter your MT5 login ID and the trading credentials provided by your broker. Then select the correct MT5 server, for example, the live server, if you have a live account, or the demo server if you're practicing. Picking the right server matters. If you select the wrong one, the platform won't connect, and you'll see a login or connection error. Once everything is set, click Login. You can confirm you're connected in a few quick ways. In the bottom right corner of MT5, look for a green Active Connection status with data flowing. In the Navigator panel, you should see your account number and your balance. The Market Watch window should start updating prices in real time, and charts will begin ticking as data arrives. If you don't see these signs, double-check your login ID, make sure you chose the correct server, and confirm your internet connection. That's it. Your account is now linked to MT5, and you're ready to open charts, place orders, and manage positions. If you're using mobile or WebTrader, select the same broker servers from the login screen and sign in with the same MT5 credentials. Whether you're on desktop or on the go, the process is essentially the same once you have the right details and the correct server selected.